Chrissy. Chrissy, I love you, babe. What's this? Thought we were watching Thundercats.
Hawkins student got...
What?
Yeah, it's on every channel.
They say who it is?
Nah, not yet.
And you were here all night?
Yes.
What about Eddie Munson?
What does Eddie have to do with all this? He Chrissy? Did he Chrissy?
Jason! Hey, man, you all right? Jason,
Hey.
what happened? Where are you going? Is everything good? What'd they say?
If Chrissy was scared, if Chrissy wanted help, she would have come to me, not Eddie.